Hello everybody and welcome. So we are finally getting around to doing some sound tests of the HTC One. I've got a scientific way of doing this at the moment, but this is sort of the best way I have at the moment until I can get myself one of those sound doohickey decibel meter things. Anyways, what we're going to do today is we're going to do a selection of song tests just so you can see how it sounds, and then we're going to move on to a YouTube test so you can hear how it sounds in YouTube apps. So the songs I'm going to play are One for the Road by Arctic Monkeys, Coming Home by Avenged Sevenfold, and Wishing Well by Blink-182, just to give you a general sort of overview. So One for the Road, sort of a bassy song. What I say? Coming Home is quite a mix of a lot of, it's sort of a bit bass, and it's also some quite higher end, not higher end. I'm trying to think of the correct wording for this, but this is going too well. And what's the other one? Wishing Well. So let's go ahead and start this. So One for the Road. Let's go. Let me just make sure I have turned off equalizer here, which it is.
From the bottom of your heart, the relegation zone. Sun is coming from.
So as you can hear, I'm just going to comment on this because it's all I can do at the moment. It sounds really nice. It's got the depth that not a lot of phone speakers have, which is really awesome to see. Those obviously front-facing speakers are really awesome. They've got a bit of clarity. Oh, they've got quite a bit of clarity to them. Not a lot of bass in this song, but maybe that will change. So let's go ahead and grab Coming Home. I'm going to skip this one in a little bit because it takes most of the start is like just junk. Let's just skip in a bit. Sorry, it'll take a few minutes to load. So as you can hear, when you have the more bassier parts, it certainly does have a lot more clarity to it, and you can definitely hear that punchier tone to it. But other than that, I mean, the speakers get really loud. I think I've seen about 80 something decibels on the speakers in this thing, so it's pretty darn good. So let's go for Wishing Well next. So yeah, generally the overall sound of this thing is pretty darn good. Those two front-firing speakers are freaking awesome to own, and they have some really nice clarity. They're very rounded, which is awesome, and really why front-facing speakers are not a thing on phones, I don't know, but there you go. Let's go ahead and head into YouTube and just show you a bit of that. It's just a random YouTube video off on the YouTube that I found, and I'm hoping it's going to start playing soon. There you go. Yeah, my internet's been absolutely amazing, as you can hear already, though it sounds awesome. Really? Damn it. Sorry guys, there's not much I can do about my internet being slow. It's just generally slow at the second. But of course it has to be slow when I need to do it, when I need to do something. Anyways, that's enough of that because it's really laggy. As you can hear, if you're going to watch movies on this device, it is a fantastic device. All it really needs to be is bigger, in my opinion, if you're going to watch movies, but a 5-inch display by any means is not small. However, speakers on this thing are freaking awesome. If you're wanting a phone purely for listening to music, this is definitely a winner. I would say though, wait until they update this device because that back camera is a pile of wank, to say the least. It's not very great. But yeah, if you don't care about your camera, you carry, say, a proper camera around with you, and all you want a phone for is good battery, good speakers, this is definitely a phone for you. This one has fantastic speakers, good battery life, and some more features which you will find out in the review. So go ahead and look out for that, which will be coming up very, very soon.